Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about transpose function. The transpose option is already available in paste special menu. Normally when we wanted to transpose a data, we just copy and then go to paste special options. There you select the formulas, since we need to keep the formulas as it is intact. Otherwise you can select values also and then transpose. So the data is being transposed and the formulas are all intact, but we can do this through a formula as well. Just knowing a formula is always an advantage for us. So transpose formula is a array formula, so obviously we need to use Control-Shift-Enter while creating this formula. So first step is to understand the range which we wanted to transpose is occupying how many cells, like how many columns and how many rows. The moment you keep the cursor and you are selecting the range, you will find that in this box, the name box, we are actually showing the name box is shown with the number of columns and rows occupied by the range, and if you go beyond that and slowly if you go beyond, it will be showing at the very corner here on 30 rows and 11 columns, etc. So that way we can understand how many columns and how many rows are being occupied by the range. So in this case 7 rows and 5 columns are being occupied. So now since I wanted to transpose it, I need to reverse the number. So instead of 7 rows, only 5 rows, and 5 columns, 7 columns. So it is occupying 7 rows and 5 columns. Now our data will occupy 5 rows and 7 columns. Accordingly, I need to select that much area, that much the range. So I've selected 5 rows and 7 columns, and I'm writing the formula transpose, very simple formula, and select the array, the range, and then since it is an array formula, you need to press Ctrl-Shift together and enter. The value is being transposed. Only the limitation is you cannot change this data just by deleting, because any part of this data cannot be deleted because it's an array formula. You need to select entire range and you need to delete it, but you cannot select one by one. Hope you understand. You can use this formula in wherever you want it to be comfortable with. Learning formulas is always an advantage. Thank you.